Tell me, Gauri, you come from a close-knit Punjabi family. So how was your childhood like?
Very basic, simple, middle class. My father was in the army and then he became, got into business, exports.
So you traveled a lot, if he was in the army, you traveled a lot?
No, not really, because by the time he retired, by the time we grew up, and my mother is like a general in the house. And we grew up actually with my nani, not my father's, but my mother's side of the family. My mama, mommy, my brother, and my masis. Okay. So it was...
She had a full-on nani.
Yeah, like a full-on, like, hum aapke hain kaun. Absolutely.
It's been written about in the past as well, that you and Shah Rukh had to fight to be together.
Yeah, I mean, my parents were obviously not for it, because so young, and then to take a decision to get married, and a person who's going to join films and being from a different religion. The most
I believe
important.
his name was Abhinav.
Yeah, Abhinav. He changed his name so that, they feel that he's a Hindu boy. But that was really silly and very childish.
And then your mother took it easily, or?
No. It was very, very hard for them. Very hard. Because coming to Bombay and a new life and a new profession, and, those days were like totally different. I mean,
but it must have been fantastic to be, be doing exactly, you just didn't follow any rule, you just left everything up one day, left from Delhi without anything and following a man with a dream.
It's been an amazing journey, I would say, just amazing. Like when I came to Bombay, it was very difficult. I mean, I enjoyed every bit of it, but it was so new and life was so different, and new people and new place and a new home.
How did Shah Rukh help your homesickness? And
as I said, I mean, we went back very often to Delhi, in the beginning, because obviously our, surroundings were so new and people were so new.
Did you have an apartment? You bought an apartment, or you just rented a place?
Yeah, Mr. Aziz Mirza, we stayed in his place for 6 months.
That
was very sweet of him to, to give us his place. And then we rented an apartment, and we didn't have, there was nothing, and my mom came from Delhi and there was no bed, there was no sofa, there was no chair, there was nothing, there was just a kitchen. Yeah, it was like, she was shocked to see me like that. She said, but why don't you have a bed? Where is the chair? So I said, this is a gadda, sleep on this. So she said, but that's really stupid, you should go and get yourself some furniture. So I said, no, now we're going to move out. We're going to move out next month, and, then we'll buy everything. That took us a year. So for 1 year, we were drinking water from patilas and sleeping on gaddas.
First home?
This was in Mount Mary.
And today your mother must be so proud of you that you own the hugest house in Bombay with the most spectacular view. And you run it up so fabulously. What did she say today? Or what is her reaction to you?
Actually, it's been so gradual, actually.
Yeah.
Everything has been starting from a rented house, then to buying a small flat, then to buying Mannat, which was very, very gradual. So it's not that it was overnight that we bought this place. So she's also grown, seeing us from like no chairs in the house to then a flat with furniture,
yes.
Then to a home, then to a building. So it was all very, very, slow and steady, I would say.
Shah Rukh lost both his parents at a young age. I mean, I think when he got his first award, his mother was no more, if I'm not mistaken.
That's right.
I mean, you must have had to play so many different roles.
Yeah, actually that's what has made him such a sensitive person. Even today with his children, that's why he's very into, all parents are into their children, and all fathers, I'm sure, are very involved with their children these days. And but for him, it's like, losing his parents at such a young age that he wants to give he spoils them to that extent, that he wants to give them everything, spoils them rotten completely. And
what do you have to say when he starts spoiling them?
I can't do anything, I just have to sit back and just complain, like, can you stop, like a complaint box all the time. That's what Aryan calls me. Mom is always complaining,
So do you remember, once in a while you both sit together and remember the days gone by?
Yeah, of course, but I still don't feel, I just feel that life is just starting,
True.
So it's always like something new is happening. So we go back to those days, you just feel that, God, that was like a million years ago.
I'm sure you remember the day Shah Rukh bought you your first diamond.
I bought it myself. I grabbed it actually. Yeah, so I'm quite a grabber.
That's wonderful.
He doesn't have to gift me anything. Any relationship, whether it's a child with a mother or a father, husband, anything, it's always growing every minute. Whether it's...
It can't stagnate. The moment it stagnates, then
it's over.
It's
and that's
over.
what marriage is about.
That's